Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Anderson. We begin this evening with some news from the housing sector because the Prime Minister, Dr Andrew Holness, is urging private insurers to settle claims for Jamaicans still recovering from Hurricane Melissa. Now, this call comes with billions of dollars already paid out by the National Housing Trust. Details in this report.
Paying up the insurance coverage, paying up the insurance is critical to the national recovery.
That stern warning from Prime Minister Dr Andrew Holness to private insurers as he stressed the importance of timely insurance payouts following the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. According to Dr. Holness, the National Housing Trust has processed 3,835 insurance claims so far, valued at approximately 7 billion Jamaican dollars.
You're not going to be paying out $7 billion, obviously, because there is a, what's the term used? A deductible. Right, there is a deductible. Excess. That's the term I'm searching for. Right. So even though the claim is for $7 billion, there is a part of it that the insured will have to stand. And so you may end up paying somewhere maybe about $6 billion or so in that region.
Of that, $2.85 billion has already been paid out.
And I think this is a point that we should pause at because the NHT is a very good example of an entity acting swiftly. Insurance claims aren't processed that quickly. But the NHT has done a very good job, and I want to point that out to the country and to challenge the private insurers.
But in the meantime, the Prime Minister is issuing an urgent appeal to private insurers to move with a greater urgency in paying out insurance claims to customers still awaiting compensation.
The NHT has done a very good job, and I want to point that out to the country and to challenge the private insurers for which claims have been made on them and for which I have had many letters and people writing to me to say, my insurers, they have come, they have assessed, but I can't hear anything. Nothing has been paid to me yet. I'm still in the negotiation. I believe that they should pay you very quickly. Paying up the insurance coverage.
Many businesses in parishes hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa are growing impatient about unsettled claims 7 months after the Category 5 storm. The business community has also long argued that insurance payouts form a critical part of the rebuilding and recovery process. The longer the delay, the greater the impact on the economy. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
And the Prime Minister was speaking at the NHT's Malvern Housing Development handing over ceremony recently. The JSE index advanced by 570 points today, while the junior market index declined by 8 points. The winners were led by Salada Foods Jamaica, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, West Indies Petroleum Terminal, JMMB Group 10% variable preference shares, and Express Catering. On the loser side, they were led by Main Event Entertainment Group, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica preferable variable preference shares, Blue Power Group, and Kintyre Holdings, 20 stocks traded firm. At the end of foreign exchange trading, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $158.38. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.77. The pound is going for $212.30, while the euro is selling for an average $187.90. And that's the Business Day. News from overseas when we return.